So next we're going to do the exact same, but for the window tag. So if you go back into the folder and open up the window tag, and then simply load it into project and close. Once you've done that, then go back to the tag all, which is in the annotate tab, tag panel, select tag all. Then the last one is our window tags. And again, since we just loaded in the window tag from the common drive, it's displayed first. So then press OK. So now all the windows are tagged. So we'll just select each one just to get them in the correct position. So once the tags are rearranged a bit clearer, come back down to the bottom section here, and we need to update the information. So currently we're just getting a 155 and 1810 by 1210, which is our width and height. So we need to add in a label first. So we'll select our WT01 window, then go to edit type. And again, we'll come down to the type mark, and there we'll type in WT01. Within the type properties, go down to identity data, type mark, WT01, press OK. And now you see all of the WT01s have been updated. So we can do the same for the WT02. Same back down to the type mark. And that is also updated. So next is the information at the top, which is 1, 16, 2, 17, 18, 3. So a component has two different types of marks. It has just what is called a mark and a type mark. So the difference between the two is a mark is specific to that singular element. So this window here has its own specific mark, which is 1, which in the properties is 1. The next mark is 16, and there's the identity data is 16. So each individual window has their own mark, but as a type, so this is window type 1, which is the 1810 by 1210, they have their own, as a group, they have their own type mark. So when we changed our type mark to WT01, every single one of them updated. So it labels them as a group, as a type mark, and then each individual window has a mark. So how it starts with 1, and this one is now 16, the next one is 2, is this was the first window that I inserted, there's the second window that I inserted, and this is the 16th window that I inserted. So that's how they're labeled. So what I want to do is I want to select each of the windows and change the type mark to W.01 for window 1. Then we have W.02 for window 2, W.03 for window 3, and so on. I'm going to run around the building and do the same thing. Reason is so later on we're able to reference each individual window. So we started with window 1 and worked our way around and got to window 25. So when we create our own tags in the next class, I will show you how you can create a sequential tag. So we'll place one, and then every time we place an additional tag, it will automatically update. So saving us doing this in the future.